In the next 5 years, artificial intelligence will permanently change how clinical trials are designed, recruited, executed, and approved. And the companies that win will not just have better technology. They will own the category. Because in markets this big, perception becomes reality. The AI clinical trials market is projected to reach $120 billion, growing at a 25% compound annual growth rate. And AI applications inside clinical trials alone are projected to hit $8.24 billion by 2031. This is not hype. This is where pharma, biotech, CROs, and healthcare AI are headed right now. Here is the real question. When this market explodes, who will own the defining digital asset? AITrials.com. A two-word, exact match, category-defining.com. Simple. Clean. Instantly understood by every executive, investor, and regulator on Earth. This is not a marketing expense. This is a strategic acquisition. And if you think premium domains are just a name, look at what just happened. AI.com sold for $70 million. Why did it sell for that much? Because the buyer did not purchase a website. They purchased authority. They purchased the most powerful positioning asset in the AI industry. They purchased the ability to instantly own the conversation. That is what category-defining domains do. They create dominance before you even run ads, publish content, or launch products. Fortune 500 executives already understand this game. Insurance.com sold for $35.6 million. Voice.com sold for $30 million. The right domain is not a URL. It is a monopoly on attention. It is the front door to the category. And AITrials.com is the front door to AI clinical trials. The moment this domain is acquired, the buyer controls the narrative. SEO dominance. Brand authority. Investor perception. Media credibility. And a defensive moat that stops competitors from ever owning the space. If your organization is investing billions into AI-driven clinical trial acceleration, recruitment, automation, or predictive analytics, then the brand you build around it matters. Because in healthcare, trust is everything. And trust starts with the name. When a prospect, partner, or journalist searches AI trials, this domain matches the exact phrase. That is instant authority. No explaining. No convincing. No long brand story. It is self-evident. This domain positions the buyer as the category leader by default. And the first mover advantage is brutal. Private equity is already hunting healthcare AI assets. Pharma giants are already pouring money into AI integration. CROs are already racing to differentiate. Once this domain is gone, it is gone permanently. There is no second chance. AITrials.com is offered for strategic acquisition at $495,000. And the transaction is processed securely through Afternic and GoDaddy Escrow, built for institutional-grade procurement and Fortune 500 standards. If you are a decision maker who understands competitive advantage, digital positioning, and long-term brand ownership, then this is your moment. Visit the link in the video description for full acquisition details. AITrials.com. Own the category. Own the future of AI clinical trials. Before your competitor does.